Hi dear traders and investors, today is Tuesday, April 30. I'm glad to share a regular market review prepared for InstaForex. Let's check the economic calendar for a start. Important economic data refers only to the euro area. The data is already available. There is no important news on the US dollar. I want to remind you that the strong volatility is expected on Wednesday. Despite Labor Day being celebrated in many countries, the report of major importance, the U.S. non-farm payrolls, will be released in early New York session. Later on, the U.S. rate-setting committee will announce its policy decision. To sum up, the market is trading quietly today, but tomorrow we will have a lot of fun. Now let's discuss my trading ideas on charts. The first instrument to discuss is gold. The price has been going down. I reckon the third bullish wave is going to show up soon after a sharp fall. Currently, the metal is trading lower. I don't see any curious plans according to the stop hunting strategy. Gold is too expensive to buy at present. The price has reversed down after swing high on the 4-hour chart. As for the euro-dollar pair, I expected growth after swing low which happened in the Asian session yesterday. Traders opened long positions during the New York session. Today the price tested yesterday's high. The instrument left a downward level, but it could be hit soon. Let me show you the two highs formed on April 11 and 26. They formed a weekly double top that will be broken in the near time, perhaps tomorrow after the Fed's policy announcement. The pound sterling has been extending its growth in a similar way like the euro. The pound dollar pair left a high on April 11, but it was left untouched yesterday. I reckon that high will be conquered soon. I found the two swing lows where we can buy the instrument. Whatever swing low you choose to buy the sterling, the target level is 1.2575. The Australian dollar is going through a correction now. If you want to open large long positions on the Aussie with a target at 0.69, I urge you to wait for a retracement. We could go long at about 0.64 on a swing low. The US dollar CAD has been growing. It would be great if the price updates the highs of 1.3916. Then the instrument could make a downward retracement. The dollar-yen pair spiked and plummeted yesterday. After these wild swings, the instrument is making correctional moves today. The pair made a swing high at 158, so you may play with the yen and challenge your nerves. That's all I wanted to tell you today. Good luck and see you later.